Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am gonna show you how to make this amazing morph transition in PowerPoint in just 2 minutes. Plus you can free download this template from the link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, we're gonna open up a clean slide, remove everything, right click on it, go to format background and go to color and change the color to black. Now close the format background, go to picture, and what I'm going to do is insert a planet image into my template or whatever we are using. So the next thing we have to do is go to insert, and from here we're going to insert a text box in which we're going to write our text. Whatever the text you want to use, the font I'm going to go with is a Haroni font, and I'm just going to increase its size, change its color to white, and put it on a top left corner. Then let me just put it on top of that shape, duplicate it using Ctrl+D key, and what I'm gonna do is just remove its fill and go to text outline and add an outline, duplicate it again using Ctrl+D, and then send it to the back. The third one, the third font or the text box, you have to send it to the back. Then I'm just gonna duplicate my template, and the next thing we're gonna do is just move everything out of the template on the first template. So I'm gonna move everything either onto the left, right, or top or down of my slide. So whatever the text is near to that side, I'm just gonna move it to that side. So yeah, this is what we have right now. What I'm gonna do is click on all of my slides and give them a morph transition from the transitions tab. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can free download this from the link in the description below.